How to add profile picture to your Gmail account or your Google account. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add profile picture to your Gmail or your Google account. Well, whether Gmail or Google, you want to simply go ahead and open up Google browser, so you can either open up Google or you can open up Google Chrome. Then tap on three dots at the top right and head into settings. Now once under settings, you'll find your Google account here, right? You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, scroll down and you'll find manage your Google account option. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you want to tap on the profile picture here at the top, and down below you can see the option to change here. Now so let me remove this one, right? So you'll have this by default if you haven't yet set the profile picture. If you haven't yet set profile picture, you can see add profile picture option, tap on add profile picture, and you can select either from Google Photos or device. Then you can go ahead and tap on browser, take photo, and then choose the media picker here if you want to upload from your gallery. And then you can go ahead and change it right from here this way. Let me select it, uploading photo, as you can see, and it should be uploaded here. So this is how you can easily add profile picture. So here you can see you can rotate as well, tap on next, save as profile picture, and saving it. This is how you can add profile picture to your Google or Gmail account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.